Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where friend requests are not showing on Snapchat. Make sure to follow each step carefully and let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on App Management. From here, tap on App Settings. Now, search for the application Snapchat. Once you find it, tap on it and go to Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache and clear the cache. After clearing the cache, go back and open the Google Play Store. Search for Snapchat and update the app if an update is available. Once the update is completed, open Snapchat and refresh the app. And that's it. This is how you can fix friend requests not showing on Snapchat. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.